Hello and welcome back to our free code camp courses. This is Introduction to the Regular Expression Challenges. Regular expressions are special strings that represent a search pattern, also known as regex or regex. They help programmers match, search, and replace text. Regular expressions can appear cryptic because a few characters have special meaning. The goal is to combine the symbols and text into a pattern that matches what you want, but only what you want. This section will cover the characters, a few shortcuts, and the common uses for writing regular expressions. So these are some of the lessons we'll be going through. So there's quite a few. The important thing to really understand with regular expressions is, like it says here, they help us find patterns. So like whenever you use any like search tool, uh, it's utilizing regexes to help us find patterns. Um, I mean, it's simple concept to understand, but one of those things that will take a while to master. And I mean, even to this day, I Google a lot of regexes that I'm trying to figure out because like it says, it's pretty cryptic when you look at them, but once you understand the meaning to a few characters, then you'll be able to spot what the pattern it's trying to find is. But yeah, this course is going to focus on familiarizing you with those characters to make them a little less cryptic. And yeah, just prepare for this one. It's going to be a fun one. Um, and I'll see you in the first lesson.